ಮತ್ತು ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ENT ನಮ್ಮ ಆಗಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಕೆಲವು ವಿಚಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬ ದುಬಾರಿ ಆಗಿದೆ. ನನಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂನ್ಸಿ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಅವರಿಗೆ ನಾನು ರೆಫರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ. ಯಾವುದೇ ಸಂಕೋಚ ಇರದೆ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಈ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರದ ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡುವಂಥ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರದ ಜನತೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪರವಾಗಿ
Dr. S.R. Chandrasekhar Institute of Speech and Hearing today celebrating the Founders Day and Memorial Award distribution and also the Graduation Day. The 31 bachelor's degree students in bachelor's in audiology and speech language pathology and 17 master's degree students in speech pathology and audiology are graduating today from the Institute of Speech and Hearing, and this is a project of Lions Club Bangalore East and managed by Bangalore Speech and Hearing Trust. This is Krishna Reddy, chairman of the institution and director, and we have Suresh Babu, secretary and treasurer Santavadan. We have today our keynote speaker and guest from Rajiv Gandhi University Health Sciences, Vice Chancellor Dr. Bhagavan with us to give the degrees to the hand over the degrees to the students. And also we have a guest of honor who is a former Vice Chancellor of Rajiv Gandhi University, Dr. Chandrasekhar Shetty with us, and it's a pleasure to have all the guests. And we had a Minister for Energy, Government of Karnataka with us in the beginning of the Founders Day celebrations, and he had addressed all the students and all the staff and trustees. And we have all the trustees here of the Dr. S.R. Chandrasekhar Institute of Speech and Hearing and Bangalore Speech and Hearing Trust. So this institution has been existing for last 48 years, founded by Dr. S.R. Chandrasekhar, an ENT surgeon, a visionary. Now we are reaching out to various rural population with various partnerships with Sri Japananji in Pavagada, Ramakrishna Ashram, and also Madhusudan Sai Hospital in Mudanahalli. We are really proud to say that we have fitted 600 hearing aids free of cost to the rural population, and we are hoping to give another 400 hearing aids to the rural population next few months. And this financial year will be reaching out to 1,000 people with a free hearing aids, and it's very niche field where governments are not in a position to support this.
Great pleasure to give away the degrees today for the graduates from this very prestigious institute. It's probably one of the oldest in the country. Of course, oldest in the one of the second oldest in the state. We're very proud that it's doing yeoman service, not only in the academic field but also in the entrepreneurs, giving away free hearing aids, treating patients from all walks of life free of cost and also with very little public charges. So that kind of a service is noble service. As Vice Chancellor, I would definitely be happy. The college has requested Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Sciences, one of the prestigious universities in the country and probably biggest in the global with 1,500 and more institutions under its belt. The institute has requested that this institution and speech and hearing would be brought under the ambit of Rajiv Gandhi